Hi everyone, and welcome back to Laura's English Vibe. Today we're going to talk about one very common English word, take. You probably already know one meaning of take. For example, take this book. But take can be used in many different expressions. So today we're going to learn 12 very common expressions with take. And we're going to learn them slowly, one by one. For every expression, I'll explain the meaning and give you simple examples. At the end of the lesson, I'll review all 12 expressions with you. So, let's get started. Take a photo. Take a photo means to use a camera or your phone to make a picture. For example, can you take a photo of us? Maybe you're traveling with your friends and you want someone to take a picture. You can say, "Excuse me, can you take a photo of us?" I like taking photos when I travel. Notice that we say, take a photo, not make a photo. Take a photo. Let's say it together. Take a photo. Again, take a photo. Good. Take a seat. Take a seat means sit down. For example, when you enter a doctor's office, a teacher's office, or someone's home, someone might say, "Please, take a seat." It simply means, please, sit down. Here's another example. You look tired. Take a seat. So remember, take a seat means sit down. Let's say it together. Take a seat. One more time. Take a seat. Good. Take a break. Take a break means to stop working or studying for a short time so you can rest. For example, I've been working for 3 hours. I need to take a break. Or, let's take a break and get some coffee. You can use this expression at work, at school, or when you're doing something for a long time. You've been studying all morning. Take a break. So, take a break means stop for a short time and rest. Let's say it. Take a break. Again. Take a break. Great! Now things get more interesting. Let's look at take off. Take off has several common meanings. First, when you take off clothes, you remove them. For example, take off your shoes. This means remove your shoes. Another example, it's hot. I'm going to take off my jacket. So, take off your jacket. Now, take off has another very common meaning. We use take off when an airplane leaves the ground. For example, the plane takes off at 7 o'clock. The plane is on the ground, then it leaves the ground. It takes off. So remember two common meanings. Take off your shoes, remove your shoes. The plane takes off. The plane leaves the ground. Let's say it together. Take off. Good. Next, take out. Take out means to remove something from a place. For example, take the book out of your bag. The book is inside your bag. You remove it. You take it out. Another example, please take the food out of the oven. The food is inside the oven. You remove it. You take it out. We also use take out when we talk about garbage. For example, can you take out the trash? This means remove the trash from the house and take it outside. And there's another very common use. If you take someone out, you usually mean that you go somewhere with them for entertainment, food, or a date. For example, I'm taking my sister out for dinner. So, take out the book, take out the trash, take someone out for dinner. Let's say it. Take out. Good. Now let's look at take away. Take away means to remove something or move something from a place. For example, please take these boxes away. The boxes are here. You move them somewhere else. You take them away. Another example, Can you take this plate away? You want someone to remove the plate from the table. We also hear take away a lot when talking about food. For example, I ordered a sandwich to take away. This means I bought the food, but I'm not eating it at the restaurant. I'm taking it somewhere else. So remember, take away means remove or move something somewhere else. Let's say it. Take away. Again. Take away. Take back. Take back has a few useful meanings. First, it can mean to return something. For example, I need to take these shoes back to the store. Maybe the shoes are the wrong size. So you return them to the store. You take them back. But there's another very useful meaning. We can use take back when we want to say that we regret something we said. For example, I take back what I said. This means I don't want to say that anymore, or I didn't mean it. Here's a simple example. Maybe you say, "You're terrible at this." Then you realize that was too rude. "I'm sorry, I take that back." So remember, take something back can mean return it. And take it back can also mean withdraw something you said. Let's say it. Take back. Good. Now let's learn one of the most useful expressions. Take care of. Take care of means to look after someone or something. For example, she takes care of her children. She looks after her children. Another example. Can you take care of my dog while I'm away? You can also use this expression for things. For example, I'll take care of the problem. Here, take care of doesn't mean look after a person. It means I will deal with the problem. So we have two very common uses. Take care of a person or animal. I take care of my dog. And take care of a problem or task. For example, don't worry, I'll take care of it. This is a very useful expression in everyday English. Let's say it together. Take care of. Again. Take care of. Take up. Take up can mean to start a new activity or hobby. For example, I took up swimming last year. This means I started swimming as a new activity. Another example, she took up painting. She started painting as a hobby. You can say, I'm thinking about taking up yoga. I'm thinking about starting yoga. So we often use take up plus hobby or activity. Take up swimming. Take up painting. Take up yoga. Take up photography. Let's say it. Take up. Good. Take over. Take over means to take control of something or become responsible for something. For example, Sarah took over the project. This means Sarah became responsible for the project. Another example, can you take over for me? You can ask, can you take over for me? Takeover is also common when one company takes control of another company. But for everyday English, remember this simple idea. Take over means become responsible or take control. For example, I'll take over from here. Let's say it. Take over. Again, take over. Take part in. Take part in means to participate in something. For example, many students took part in the competition. They participated in the competition. Another example. Did you take part in the school event? This means, did you participate in the event? You can take part in a competition, an event, a meeting, an activity, or a project. For example, I took part in a charity event. So remember, take part in equals participate in. Let's say it. Take part in. Good. Take your time. Take your time means don't hurry. For example, if your friend is choosing something in a store, you can say, take your time. You are telling them you don't need to hurry. Another example, take your time. I'm not in a hurry. This is a very friendly and natural expression. So when someone says, take your time, they usually mean don't rush. Let's say it together. Take your time. Again. Take your time. Excellent. Great job. Now let's review everything we learned today. I'll say the expression first. You can repeat after me. Ready? Number 1. Take a photo. Take a photo. Number 2. Take a seat. Take a seat. Number 3. Take a break. Take a break. Number 4. Take off. Take off. Number 5. Take out. Take out. Number 6. Take away. Take away. Number 7. Take back. Take back. Number 8. Take care of. Take care of. Number 9. Take up. Take up. Number 10. Take over. Take over. Number 11. Take part in. Take part in. And number 12. Take your time. Take your time. Excellent. Remember, don't try to memorize the word take by itself. Learn it in useful phrases. The more you hear these expressions, the more natural they will feel. Thanks for learning with me today.